Our most recognizable asset is the Mastercard brand mark, but just as visually distinctive are our brand circles. Brand circles help us to create ownable designs that unify our communications and help us to stand out in the world. We've created 6 circle configurations for Mastercard. Let's take a closer look at Brand Circle B. Brand Circle B is stylistically simple and echoes our brand mark. Through the relationship between its overlapping circles, we use it to enhance messages about partnerships. It always exists as a solid circle with an overlapping keyline circle. It's used here in graphic form. The idea of partnerships can be heightened with a carefully considered headline. This configuration works especially well with photography. It's possible to pair the keyline with a perfectly circular object, creating a communication that's uniquely Mastercard while helping the headline message to resonate. As a holding shape, the solid circle can house simple photography or footage, leaving lots of open space for other elements. Here, Brand Circle B creates a focal point, with space for other elements to breathe and work together. By using the most appropriate brand circle crop, the friends in this shot are framed in a way that links with the headline message of togetherness. This ad promotes a clear benefit of partnerships. Brand Circle B can be flipped horizontally and it can be scaled smaller, so long as the overlap proportions always remain true to our brand mark. We always use it cropped in some way to bring a more dynamic feel to the layout. This avoids it looking like a replacement for our mark. When you're working with Brand Circle B, don't alter the overlap proportion. Don't use without a keyline. Brand Circle B cannot be rotated. Don't crop so far into images that they become unrecognizable or abstract. Don't show both full circles within a layout. Always crop them in some way. When using the circle as a holding shape, consider the tonality of the image compared with the background. Too much contrast doesn't work well. The image should feel integrated, not forced, into a circular frame, so consider color carefully to achieve a more subtle look. And never make a 50-50 crop, as the dynamism is lost. We don't want anyone to recreate brand circles from scratch, as each has been specifically built using precise proportions that must stay consistent. So we've provided a library of artworks that give you a range of aspect ratios and correct crop versions to work with. All assets are available on the Design Center to ultimately make your life easier. Visit the Design Center for everything you need to get started.